Virtual class of English, my dear students. We have been doing our 8th unit of practice book, Adverbs. So this is part 2, and in this video I am going to explain rules of other 3 types of adverbs. Listen to the rules and try to understand what is this second type of adverb, children. So second type of adverb is adverb of place, and its rules are: it tells us where the action is done. It tells us where the action is done. It answers the question, it gives the answer of question where. So it gives the answer of where, like here, there, outside, inside, upstairs, downstairs, etc. So these are the examples. These are some examples of adverb of place. Now read these sentences, children. Stand here. So it is telling us where to stand. Stand here. The dog, see the second example, the dog went outside. Where the dog went? Outside. Third example is the boy looked up. Where boy looked? Where the boy looked? Up. So here, outside, up, these are the examples of adverb of place, and it answers the question where. Now the third type of adverb is adverb of time. And what are its rules? Let's go through the rules, children. It tells us when an action is done. It tells us when an action took place. It answers the question when. Okay? It tells us when the action took place, and it answers the question when. Example: now, today, soon, tomorrow, since, ago, yesterday, etc. These are the examples of adverb of time. Now read these examples. First example is: I shall visit my aunt soon. When shall I visit my aunt? Soon. I will play tennis match today. When will I play tennis match? Today. She is typing the letter. Now. When is she typing the letter? Now. So all these statements, all these sentences, soon, today, now, these are the words which are telling us when an action is done or took place. Now the fourth type of adverb is adverb of frequency. Its rules are: it tells us how often an action is done. How often an action means how many times an action is done. It answers the question how often. How often means how many times. Always, often, usually, sometimes, these are the examples. I usually go for a walk. How often I go for a walk? Usually. Bunny is always late. How often Bunny is late? Always. I go out sometimes. How often do I go out? Sometimes. So usually, always, sometimes, often, these all are the adverbs of frequency. I hope you have understood these 4 types of adverbs, children. Write all the rules with examples in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Take care.